Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the top workflows that we have seen in the month of February 2023. So we know that Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software that helps you in integrating different applications with which you can save a lot of time doing the repetitive work that consumes a lot of energy as well. So now here we are talking about the top workflows that has really made a difference. So the first one here is how to sync Microsoft Excel with Notion. We know that Notion is a note-making software and it is very interesting. So here every time a new database item is added in Notion, then with the help of Microsoft Excel, you have added a new row to the worksheet. Basically, the details are added to Microsoft Excel so that you can later follow up. The next one is how to send WhatsApp messages on status updates. Now this one is very interesting. So let's say that here you have applied for a passport and now you have got different status, like the documents are pending, then they are verified, then at the same time they are submitted and the entire process is completed. So here every time the status is changed, so the user must receive a WhatsApp message or an SMS. Now for this, your trigger application will be Google Sheet where the status would be changed, and then your action application will be Router here, which actually helps you in putting different conditions, and then the final thing will be either WhatsApp or Twilio. Next, we have send interactive WhatsApp messages with quick reply and call to action buttons. Call to action buttons are really in these days. You must have seen in your WhatsApp message, every time there is a promotional message, you have these little call to action buttons. You just have to press on them and they will directly lead you to the website so that you can make the purchase. So here in your Google Sheet, every time a new row is added, automatically through Interact, a WhatsApp message would be sent to the user. So your trigger application is Google Sheet and your action application is Interact. The next one that we have here is how to automatically copy files from one Google Drive folder to another. Now this can have multiple reasons. This is very simple. So here your trigger application and your action application both will be Google Drive. The event initially would be new file in specific folder and then copy a file. Easy. Let's look at the last one. How to automatically send WhatsApp messages from Notion. So every time a new database item is created in Notion, then you want that the details should be sent to the user on WhatsApp. How can that be done? So here your trigger application will be Notion and your action application would be Interact. So that is it. So these were the top workflows that have really been appreciated in the month of February. I'm going to come up with such videos where we'll look at the top workflows of every month, and the videos, the link of all these workflows you can find in the description box. If you have any doubt, you can always write to us. So take care of yourself. I'll see you soon.